everyone. Welcome back to Podcast by Mr. B.
Hello, everyone. Today topics is simple phrases for every day.
Hi, everyone. I'm Mr. B.
And I'm Anna. We're here to help you learn English, step by step, word by word.
Yes, slowly, clearly, and with a smile.
Exactly. In this episode, we will learn greetings and asking for help, two very useful topics.
Because we say hello every day.
And we all need help sometimes.
So let's learn together.
Part 1. Greetings.
Anna, let's start with greetings. How we say hello in English.
Okay, I know one. Hello.
That's a good one. Let's say it together.
Hello.
Hello. Nice. Say it again, dear listener. Hello.
Hello.
Great. You can also say hi.
Hi.
Hi is short and friendly. We often say it to friends. Hi, Anna.
Hi, Mr. B.
So, hello and hi are both greetings?
Right. Hello is a bit more formal and hi is casual. Time of the day greetings.
Anna, now let's talk about greetings for different times of the day.
Ooh. Yes, like good morning.
Exactly. Repeat after me, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning is used before noon, before 12 o'clock.
What about the afternoon?
Then we say good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Perfect. Repeat again, listener. Good afternoon.
And at night?
We say good evening.
Good evening.
We say that after 6 p.m., when it starts to get dark.
I see. So, morning, good morning. Afternoon, good afternoon. Evening, good evening.
Perfect summary.
Saying goodbye.
Anna, now, when we leave, we say goodbye.
Yes, goodbye.
Or, shorter, bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Take care.
Take care.
Great job.
Practice time.
Anna, let's practice, everyone. I'll say something, and you answer. Anna, good morning.
Good morning.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Good. That's a common response.
Part 2. How are you and small talk.
Anna, let's talk about how are you?
Yes, people say that a lot.
It means someone is asking how you feel. You can answer, I'm fine.
I'm good.
I'm okay.
I'm great.
And sometimes, I'm tired.
Yes, that's true.
Anna, repeat after me, everyone. I'm fine.
I'm good.
I'm okay.
I'm great.
And we can add thank you.
Yes, I'm fine. Thank you.
And you?
Exactly. That's how you show kindness in English conversation.
Example conversation. Anna, let's try a short example.
Anna, hi, Mr. B. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm great. Thanks.
See? Simple and friendly.
Easy to learn, easy to use. Part 3. Asking for help.
Anna, let's learn how to ask for help.
Yes, very important.
Anna, the most common phrase is, can you help me?
Can you help me?
Great! Repeat after us, listener. Can you help me? What if I want to be polite?
Good question. You can say, "Could you help me, please?"
Could you help me, please?
That's polite and friendly.
Anna, there are other ways too. Excuse me, can you help me? Sorry, I need help. Can you show me? Can you tell me?
I see. So, help, show, and tell are common verbs here.
Yes.
And Anna, let's practice. Excuse me, can you help me?
Sorry, I need help. Can you show me? Can you tell me?
Real life example. In a store.
Anna, let's imagine you're in a store.
Okay, I'm shopping for a t-shirt.
Great. Let's act it out. Anna, excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I'm looking for a blue t-shirt.
Oh, the blue t-shirts are over there.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
See how simple that is?
Very easy. I like that.
Real life example. On the street. Now, imagine you're lost in the city.
Oh, I don't know where I am.
Don't worry. You can say, "Excuse me, where is the bus station?"
Excuse me, where is the bus station?
Or you can say, "Excuse me, can you tell me how to go to the market?"
Excuse me, can you tell me how to go to the market?
Perfect.
What if the person answers quickly and I don't understand?
Then you can say, "Sorry, can you say that again?"
Sorry, can you say that again?
Or, "Can you speak slowly, please?"
Can you speak slowly, please?
Those are great survival phrases.
Part 5. Polite words.
Anna, when we ask for help, it's important to be polite.
Yes, using please and thank you.
Exactly. Let's repeat those. Please.
Please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Please makes a request kind. Thank you shows gratitude.
You're welcome is what we say back.
Right. Let's practice.
Can you help me, please?
Sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Part 6. Short dialogues for practice.
Anna, let's do some short, mini conversations for practice.
Let's go.
Anna. Dialogue 1. Greeting. Hi, MrB.
Hi, Anna. How are you?
Anna. I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Anna. Dialogue 2. Asking for help. Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I can't find my phone.
Oh, it's here on the table.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Anna. Dialogue 3. In a restaurant. MrB, excuse me, can I have a menu, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Anna. Dialogue 4. On the street. MrB, excuse me, can you tell me the way to the bank?
Sure. Go straight and turn left.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Anna. Now, dear listener, it's your turn. I will say something and you answer aloud. Ready? Anna. Hi, how are you? Good. Next one. Excuse me, can you help me? Well done. Next. Can you speak slowly, please? Great. You're doing amazing.
Part 7. Short review.
Okay, Let's review what we learned today.
Yes, greetings and asking for help.
Anna. First, greetings. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Goodbye. See you later.
And small talk. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. And you? Then asking for help. Can you help me? Could you help me, please? Excuse me, where is the... Sorry, can you say that again? Can you speak slowly, please?
And of course, polite words. Please. Thank you. You're welcome.
Perfect.
Closing.
We hope you enjoyed today's lesson.
Yes, and remember, practice every day.
Even 5 minutes a day helps you get better.
You can practice with friends or family too.
Or talk to yourself. In English.
Yes, I do that sometimes.
That's good, Mr. B. So, what's next time?
Next episode, we'll learn how to order food and drinks.
Yum, I'm hungry already. See you next time.
Bye.